How to use and rotate ruler in OneNote. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can use and rotate ruler on OneNote. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up OneNote and make sure to log in. After you're logged in, you can select or you can prepare a document. Now if you want to add a ruler, what you have to do is navigate to the top or left corner. There is a small toolbar. So from there you have to click on draw. Under the draw section, there is an option for a ruler. All you have to do is click on it. After that, you have a ruler on your document. Now, in order to rotate it, you have to use the two fingers in your mouse pad in your laptop. So from here, you have to rotate this ruler with the help of your two fingertip. So on your keypad, what you have to do is place your two finger. After that, you have to rotate it with the help of your two fingers. And in this way, you can rotate the ruler with the help of your two finger in the mouse pad if you're using the laptop. But if you are using a connected mouse, then it will be easier for you to move this ruler right here. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.